On behalf of all members and friends of Sakya Trizin Thubten Ling, we congratulate Your Holiness Janavadra Rinpoche on being enthroned as the 43rd Sakya Trizin. We wish you long life and good health, and may your Dharma activities flourish like the expanse of the sky. We enjoy your clear, compassionate teaching and hope all goes well with your travels and teachings around the world.
Today is a very special day for us. I'm Lama Jambu Tenzin from Canada, Victoria, Sakya Trizin Center, and myself and our centers, we all really like heartfelt congratulations and the best of wishes to His Holiness Sakya Kongma Jana Vajra Rinpoche. You become today Sakya throne holder or head of the Sakya. We are so happy and we are so proud, and thank you. And I like Gyawe Tuba Sajan Yapseki Shesur Dambe Lusan Yuring Cho Jiden Kamdi Tarshin Ge Churne Sadin Yuring Padu Ne Churji.
Your Holiness Jana Vajra Rinpoche, best wishes and prayers from Sakya Dolma Ling, the Sakya Center in Mexico City, Mexico. We are very excited about your enthronement as the 43rd Sakya Trizin. Sakya Dolma Ling was founded in 2005 by Lama Jampa Tai. We're based in the southern part of Mexico City. His Holiness Sakya Gongma Tsechen visited us in 2011. His Holiness bestowed the initiation of Manjushri Arapatsana of Barilotsawa and Vajrakilaya from the Kon lineage, and taught the Shempa Shidral, parting from the four attachments. In 2018, we were visited by His Holiness the 42nd Sakya Trizin, Ratnavajra Rinpoche, who bestowed the initiations of the three wrathful lords and taught Chogyal Pakpa's Garland of Jewels. Please come as soon as you can to transmit the Sakya teaching to us. We pray that the glorious Sakya tradition will blossom in the West.
다리에 대한 아주 사자 고마를 붙이기 동세 고슈 자나바자를 붙이죠. 대대 진지 숨바 두대 개바 될랑 나라라면 공가 다 공가 쳐서 영천대 쳐서 연애 접수이제 르무지 쳐서 땜지 자다 필요하다 르무지 쳐 고스 샤베 땜지 제진 공내 공도 필요 민주 수주인 자시들에